Alright, so this is video number 3 about function operations. Now, in this video we're just going to be multiplying two different functions, f of x and g of x. So, let's go ahead and, here we have a set of functions right here. I have them written down. So we have f of x is equal to x squared minus 9 and g of x is equal to x plus 3. All we're going to do is multiply these two functions, and it's going to look like this. So it's in parentheses f times g of x. All it is we're just saying f of x, and you're just going to multiply it by g of x. So we're just going to bring the two functions. So what is f of x? Let's forget about this. Let's forget about that. We're just focusing on here. So f of x is x squared minus 9. Just going right here. X squared minus 9. And then we're just going to multiply it by, put in parentheses, we're just going to multiply it by g of x. And g of x is just x plus 3. And we could just do the distributive property or FOIL. So x squared times x is x to the third. X squared times 3 is, here, show you, x squared times x to the third. X squared times 3 is 3x squared, so plus 3x squared. Negative 9 times x is negative 9x. Negative 9 times 3 is negative 27. All we're going to do here is combine like terms. In this case, there are no more like terms. So our answer is just going to be x to the third plus 3x squared minus 9x minus 27. Now, if we want to find the domain of this, if like the problem says find the domain, well, you can't find the domain here. You're just gonna have to. They'll mostly ask you finding the domain if it was f divided by x, or f of x divided by g of x. That's what I'd say. So the next video will be mainly about dividing functions.